Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting on the live page. Open it and click Edit to enter edit mode. You do this now because changes only appear after you publish. Make sure your account has edit or full control, otherwise you'll be blocked when saving. Once in edit mode, scan the layout and web parts so you know which zone to work in. If autosave is enabled, minor changes will be cached. Toggle settings if needed. Now pick the section you'll change first and proceed. Once you've chosen a section, click a web part to open its properties pane and edit text, images, or links. You change layouts by selecting section controls. Adjust columns, background, and spacing so the page reads well on mobile. If you need new functionality, click plus to add a web part, then configure its settings. Make sure to preview interactions like links and embeds. If a web part shows errors, reopen its properties and correct fields or reconnect data sources. Then continue refining content. When your edits are complete, preview the page and use Save as Draft if you're not ready to publish. Once satisfied, click Republish or Post News to make changes public. Also update metadata and audience targeting so the right people see this. If something goes wrong, first clear your browser cache and try again. If problems persist, revert to a previous version from version history or confirm your permission level. Finally, notify stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.